from?
Oh. All right, what do we got in the back, Sam? Oh my God, they're freaking huge. They're not that big. They're not that big. I see you got 6 of them. Perfect. Wow, yeah, it's half the size of you. All right. Yeah, look, I think they're smaller than the Hummer.
Huh?
I think they're smaller than the Hummer.
There's no way.
So these are the 35 BF Goodrich All-Terrain TA-KO2s that Sam brought us. He's holding the camera right now. We're gonna put this on his JLU, hopefully. So we'll leave him here for a day until the wheels come. Then we'll put the wheels on them and balance them and all that jazz. All right, so we're here at Bill DeLuca Auto in was it Methuen, I think? And Sam ran inside because he actually used to work here, so he knows, you know, he knows some guys in there. So we have the tires and the wheels all from Quadratech in the back, and we're gonna get them mounted up here. The shop that I used to work at, that I went to, their tire mounting machine wasn't big enough to hold the 35s. So we're here, we're gonna get them mounted up. It'll take them like 15-20 minutes. Then we're gonna bring them back to the house. The lift comes tomorrow, bright and early. We're gonna be up, getting that set up and getting that ready to go. That's all gonna be documented. So you'll see that coming up. We're gonna start installing the lift. It's a 2.5-inch Skyjack lift on a 2019 Jeep Wrangler JLU. So we'll see how that goes. We got the 35s, we got the lift. We're gonna put a extender on the back so that it'll hold the spare tire, the 35-inch. Once that's done, last few things, you know, we need to do alignment and stuff like that, and make sure that the Jeep is, you know, fully operational. But this is gonna be great. It's gonna be fun to record and to work on a new Jeep. So I'm still working on the 818. We got some stuff coming up soon with my Mini Cooper that needs to get repaired. Once that's all done, we have some other projects that we're going to be working on, but this is all coming together. Quarantine life has been pretty great, just doing a lot of work on cars and trucks and helping friends out and doing some fun stuff. So I'll keep videotaping it and keep putting up videos. Let's get to the rest of the build. So see you then. Oh, into the shop. All right, so it's another day. Yesterday we couldn't get the tires because DeLuca wasn't ready yet, the dealership that we got them mounted and balanced at. But we just got them back. Sam's on his way with the rest of the parts. So there's the tire on the ground next to me. Those are 35s. You can take a look at the rims. So these are the rims that he got. I don't know exactly what they are. He didn't tell me, but you can see they're all balanced, ready to go. They're getting put on here. Here's one. Like you saw earlier, we got the spare tire reinforcement and relocation. So what we're doing today is mounting these up. You got the rest of them in the back of the truck. Right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the old wheel. One of the old wheels on what it used to have. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty nice. So can't wait to get these mounted up. Jack the car up, put them on. We gotta torque all these bolts down that we did before to make sure everything's all spec. And then we got the adjustable front torsion bar, which currently is removed. It goes right here and connects down to the axle right there. So the torsion bar goes from here to there, and that helps prevent sway along with the anti-sway bar, obviously. It helps tighten the steering. So if you don't have that on there, you should make sure you get that on. Here's the Skyjacker springs, a better close-up than what we had earlier. So I'm gonna tell them about the ones where you can pull the pin to disconnecting connecting rods so that you can have better sway when you're off-roading, but I don't think he's planning on doing anything crazy anytime soon, so that should be good enough for him, what he's gonna do. But let's get these, let's get this torsion bar mounted up. And then we have one more thing that we're gonna do, and we have spacers. We have wheel spacers that we're gonna put on. And that's gonna help the stance. It's gonna look amazing when it's done. The stance is gonna be wider. It's gonna look sick. We also might end up painting these calipers. The front calipers are pretty big. The rear calipers are kind of small, but we might paint these red as well. Because there's so much space where you can see in between on the rim. So we might paint those red just to give it a little extra pop. Can't wait to put this all back together. And then we'll take it for a spin when it's done. So yeah, he'll be here any minute. I got a coffee. I'm gonna put on some music and just chill out for a few minutes until he gets here with the rest of the parts that we need. And then once he gets here, we'll be able to put it all together once and for all this time, instead of having to wait on parts and wait on the shop. We all have it, it's all ready to go. So once he's here, I'm gonna set the camera up, take a video of us putting the tires and wheels, and then we'll take it for a spin. So stay tuned, let's go.